let's assume we've got such a chart on a slide. What I want to do is to add sum for each of these columns. So I don't want to have all these data labels here. I don't want to have them here. I just want to have one sum label above each of the column. How can we do it? First of all, we need to go to Edit Data. So right click on the chart, go to Edit Data. And in this Excel panel, we need to go to the full Excel. And in this Excel, we need to do the sum. So I select the whole first row, go to Sum option, and click on it. And it's very easy to do it. We've got all the sums. We can close for now. Now, once again, right-click on this chart, go to Edit Data again, and now we need to select with this blue area this whole thing, also with the column 1, with the E column here. Okay, now our chart is distorted, but that's okay. What we need to do now is to right-click on it again, and then we choose Change Series Chart Type. And right now we are here in the combo type chart. I don't know why we're here, but we are here. So what we need to do is to change stack column here to line chart. Okay? And this way, we've got the preview here. This way, we see that this sum is presented as a line chart. And that's okay. Don't click on anything here on the right. Secondary axis, no. No secondary axis, just click OK. And now we've got one line. Now what we need to do is to right-click on this line, add data labels, right-click on this data labels, format data labels, and choose above. So it's all above each of the column. We can make them bold, we can make them bigger, and now we can select the line, go to Outline option and choose No Outline. And this way, this line will disappear and only the data labels will remain. What we need to do is also to maybe delete all those numbers on the left-hand side, or we can make them visually lighter. For example, this should be light gray. Also, grid lines should be light gray, not so distinct as they are now. And that's how we can show it. So that's what we wanted. And the same what we can do is with such a chart. Of course, we can go to add data labels, but that's not what we want, right? So again, right-click on the slide, right-click on this chart, click Edit Data, go to Full Excel, and here we select the first row and click Sum. Close the Excel file, right-click on the chart once again, Edit Data, expand this blue area, right-click on the chart again, change Series Chart Type, and this column 1 change to Line Chart, and click OK. Select the line, right-click on it, add data labels, select all of them, and in the settings in the right-hand side, choose Above. And again, we can make them bold, we can make them bigger, select the line, choose Border, No Outline, and we can do something like here. Okay, and once again, what we need to do is to select this legend, select in this legend only this part, and click delete on the keyboard. And we can expand it just like that. And the same here. We can select this one, delete, and it all disappears. And that's what we wanted. If it was helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. I read every comment, so let's be in touch.